AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on vector product part 2. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో తెలియజేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session, problems on vector product part 2. Let us go to the first one. Find the torque of a force F bar is equals to minus 3I cap plus 2J cap plus K cap acting at the point R bar is equals to 8I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap about origin. Here the given F bar and R bar are the two vectors. Here you have to calculate the torque. So let us go to the solution. Given R bar is equals to 8I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap and given F bar is equals to minus 3I cap plus 2J cap plus K cap. Now you are finding the torque tau is equals to R cross F bar. So R bar cross F bar, that is equals to I J K. Now we are finding the cross product of R and F. Now the components of I J K in R bar are 8, 2, 3 and the component of F bar is minus 3, 2, 1. So that is equals to I cap of determinant of 2, 3, 2, 1 and the next J cap minus J cap of determinant of 8, 3 minus 3, 1 plus K cap of determinant of 8, 2 minus 3, 2. So that is equals to I cap of 2, 1 ja 2 minus 3, 2 ja 6 minus J cap of 8, 1 ja 8 minus 3, 3 ja 9 minus of minus plus 9 plus K cap of 8, 2 ja 16 minus 3, 2 ja 6 minus of minus plus 6. So that is equals to 2 minus 6 minus 4 I cap. Here 9 plus 8 is 17 minus into plus minus. So minus 17 J cap plus 16 plus 6 22 K cap. So this is the torque tau. The final answer is therefore tau is equals to minus 4 I cap minus 17 J cap plus 22 K cap. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Second one. The area of the triangle whose adjacent sides are represented by the vectors 4I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap and 5I cap in square units. Here they given A bar and B bar vectors, two vectors. Here you have to find the area of the triangle. So let us go to the solution. Here they given A bar is equals to, let A bar is equals to 4I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap and B bar is equals to, they given as 5I cap. Now we are finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is equals to half into modulus of A bar cross B bar. So now we are finding the first A bar cross B bar, that is equals to, finding first A bar cross B bar. So that is equals to I J K and the components of A are 4, 3, 4 and the components of B 5. Here there is no J component and K component, 0, 0. So that is equals to A bar cross B bar is equals to I cap of determinant of 3 4 0 0. So here 3 4 0 0 minus j cap of determinant of 4 4 5 0 and plus k cap of determinant of 4 3 5 0. So that is equals to I cap of here 0 into 3 0 and minus into 0. So here 0 minus of minus, here minus 0 0 minus 0 and minus j cap of 4 into 0 0 minus 4 5s are 20 plus k cap of 4 into 0 0 minus 5 3s are 15. K cap of 0 minus 15. And next we are writing A bar cross B bar is equals to 0 I bar plus minus of minus plus 20 J bar minus 15 K bar. Now we are finding modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to root of 0 whole square plus 20 whole square plus minus 15 whole square. So that is equals to 0 square 0 and 20 whole square 400, 15 whole square 225. So 0 plus 400 plus 225 it gives 625. Root 625 25. So modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to 25. Now we are finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half modulus of A bar cross B bar, that is equals to 25 by 2. So we are getting 25 by 2, it gives 12.5. This is the area of triangle. Here area of triangle is equals to 12.5 units. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. E bar is equals to I cap minus j cap plus k cap is. Here they given two vectors and you have to calculate the unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Let us go to the solution. Here unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is n cap, that is equals to A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. Now given A bar is equals to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap and B bar is equals to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now we are finding the A bar cross B bar, cross product of A and B, that is I, j, k, and the component of vectors here A bar are 2, 3, 1 and in B vector 1, minus 1, 1 and next that is equal to A bar cross B bar is equals to I cap determinant of 3, 1, minus 1, 1 and minus j cap of determinant of 2, 1, minus 1 here 1 and plus k cap of determinant of 2, 3, 1, minus 1. So that is equals to I cap of 3 1 ja 3 minus of minus plus 1 minus j of 2 1 ja 2 and minus 1 plus k of minus 2 minus of minus plus 3. Here minus 3. 1 into 3 minus 3. So that is equals to 3 plus 1 4 I cap. Here minus 2 minus 1 1 minus j cap plus here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So plus of minus 5 k cap. So that is equals to a bar cross b bar is equals to 4 I cap minus j cap minus 5 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to square root of I component 4 whole square and j component minus 1 whole square and k component minus 5 whole square. So that is equals to 4 square 16, 1 plus 5 square 25. So modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to root 42. Now we are finding, therefore n cap is equals to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to a bar cross b bar 4 I cap minus j cap minus 5 k cap by root 42. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question, fifth one. The diagonals of a parallelogram are a bar is equals to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap and b bar is equals to minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus k cap. What is the area of the parallelogram? If they are here, they given diagonals, then you have to use the formula for finding the area of parallelogram, half modulus of d1 bar cross and d2 bar. Here they given two diagonals of the parallelogram, one is a bar and another is a b bar. Here you have to find the area of parallelogram. So given, now let us go to the solution. Here given d1 is equals to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap and d2 is equals to minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus k cap. Now area of the parallelogram, that is equals to half d1 bar cross product of d2 bar. So now first we are finding the d1 cross d2 bar, d1 bar cross d2 bar, cross product of d1 and d2, that is equals to I, j, k, and the component of d1 are minus 2. Here they given d1 is equals to 2I, 2 minus 3, 1. The components of d2 are minus 2, 4, minus 1. So that is equals to I cap of determinant of minus 3, 1, 4, minus 1 minus j cap of determinant of 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1 plus k cap of determinant of 2, minus 3, minus 2, 4. Next we are writing cross product of d1 bar into d2 bar is equals to I cap of 3 1 ja 3 minus here minus 3 minus, so here plus 3, 3 minus 4 minus j cap of minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus k cap of 8, 3 2 is 6, so minus 3 minus 2 6 minus 6 and again plus into minus minus 6. So that is equals to I cap of minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 here 0. So 0 j cap plus 8 minus 6, 2 k cap. So we are getting minus I cap plus 2 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of d1 bar cross product of d2 bar, that is equals to minus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, that is equals to minus 1 whole square 1, 2 whole square 5, 4 plus 1 root 5. So area of parallelogram is equals to half modulus of d1 cross product of d2 bar, that is equals to root 5 by 2. This is the area of parallelogram, root 5 by 2 meter square. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Sixth one, vertices of a triangle are given by I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap and 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap and minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then area of triangle is, here they given three vertices of a triangle. One is A bar and B bar and C bar. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle. So let us go to the solution. Here let us assume that one is three vertices are A bar, B bar and C bar. So A bar is equals to I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap and B bar is equals to 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap and C bar is equals to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now first we are finding B bar minus A bar, that is equals to P bar. Let us assume that B bar minus A bar is equal to P bar. So 2I bar I cap minus j cap plus k cap minus I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. 2 minus 1, 1. So I cap. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4j cap. Plus 1 minus 2 minus k cap. And C bar minus A bar is equals to Q cap. So that is equal to C bar nothing but minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap minus A bar minus I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. So that is equals to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2I cap plus 2 minus 3 minus j cap plus 3 minus 2 plus k cap. So here we are getting P bar and Q bar, and now we are finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Now we are finding the first, we have to find P bar cross product of Q bar. So that is equals to I, J, K, and we are writing the P components 1 minus 4 minus 1 and the Q components minus 2 minus 1 1. So that is equals to I cap, J cap and K cap. So P bar cross product of Q bar is equals to I cap determinant of minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 1 and minus j cap of 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 plus k cap of 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1. So that is equals to P bar cross product of Q bar is equals to I cap of, here minus 4 minus of minus plus. So minus 4 minus 1 and minus j cap of 1 minus to minus plus 2 and again minus 2. So plus k cap of minus 1, here minus into minus plus 8 again minus 8. So that is equals to minus 5 I cap minus here minus into minus plus j cap, here minus 9k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of p bar cross q bar is equals to root of minus 5 whole square plus 1 whole square plus minus 9 whole square, that is equals to root of 5 square 25 plus 1 9 square 81. So that is equals to root of 107. So area of triangle is equals to area of triangle is equals to half modulus of p bar cross q bar is equals to 107 root 107 by 2. Root 107 by 2. This is the area of triangle. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Seventh one. If a bar is equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and b bar is equals to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap, then vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar has magnitude k times that of 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, then k is equals to. Here in this question they given two vectors a bar and b bar, and these are perpendicular to both a bar and b bar, has magnitude k times that of this vector. This is 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Here we have to find the value of k. Let us go to the solution. Here given a cap is equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and b bar is equals to they given as 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. Now we are finding the a bar cross product of b bar. So that is equals to I j k modulus of here determinant of I j k, and we are writing the components 2 3 6 and in vector b 3 minus 6 2. So this is equals to I cap of determinant of 3 6 minus 6 2 and minus j cap of determinant of 2 6 3 2 and plus k cap of 2 3 3 minus 6. So that is equals to I cap of 3 2s are 6, here minus of minus plus 36, here minus j of 2 2s are 4 minus 18 and plus k cap of here minus 12 minus 9, and this one we are writing next we are writing a bar cross b bar is equals to I cap of 6 plus 36 and minus j cap of 4 minus 18 plus k cap of minus 12 minus 9. So that is equals to 42 I cap minus 14 j cap minus 21 k cap. Here minus into minus plus. So a bar cross b bar is equals to, here taking 7 as a common, 7 6 I bar, 7 6 are 42 and 7 2s are 14 minus 7 3 is 21, taking 7 as a common. So now we are comparing this a bar cross b bar is equals to given k of 6 I bar plus 2 j bar j cap minus 3 k cap. Now we are comparing these two, then we are getting the value of k is equals to 7. So therefore the final answer value of k is equals to 7. A bar cross b bar is equal to k 7 of 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, 8th question. If a modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to root 3 into a bar dot b bar. Then the value of modulus of a bar plus b bar is, here we have to calculate modulus of a bar plus b bar. Now let us go to the solution. Here given a bar cross b bar, modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to root 3 a bar dot b bar. So here modulus of a bar cross b bar is equals to ab sin theta, that is equals to root 3 into this a bar dot b bar is ab cos theta. So root 3 into here ab cos theta, ab gets cancels, sin theta by cos theta is equals to root 3. So sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is equals to root 3. Now we are finding now a bar modulus of a bar plus b bar is equals to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 60. Here tan theta is equal to root 3. Tan theta is equals to root 3, nothing but we can write tan 60. So tan theta is equal to tan 60, theta is equal to 60 degrees. So here we are substituting the theta value 60 degrees. So that is equals to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 60, nothing but 1 by 2. 2 gets cancels. So this complete value written as root of this a square plus b square plus ab, root can be written as whole to the power of 1 by 2. So modulus of a bar plus b bar is equals to, this is the final answer, a square plus b square plus ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. Next question, going to the next question. If 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and 3i cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap be collinear vectors, then find the value of lambda and mu. So let us go to the solution. Given a bar is, let us assume that one is a bar and another is a b bar. A bar is equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and the given b bar is equals to 3i cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap. Given that given a bar and b bar, a cross b are collinear. Given a bar, the two vectors a bar and b bar are collinear. If two vectors are collinear, then its cross product of their two vectors is equals to 0. So that is a bar cross b bar is equals to 0. So now we are finding a bar cross b bar. So that is equals to determinant of I, j, k and 2 minus 3, 4 and b components 3, lambda and mu. So now we are finding the determinant, that is equal to 0. So I cap, that is equals to determinant of minus 3, 4 lambda mu minus j cap of determinant of 2, 4, 3 mu plus k cap of determinant of 2 minus 3, 3 lambda. So that is equals to a bar cross b bar is equals to I cap of minus 3 into mu minus 4 lambda minus j of 2 into mu, 2 mu minus 12 plus k cap of 2 lambda minus 9. So that is equals to A bar cross B bar is equals to I cap of minus 3 mu minus 4 lambda minus j cap of 2 mu minus 12 plus k cap of 2 lambda minus 9. So now we are equating to 0. So that is j component is 2 mu minus 12 is equals to 0. We are finding the mu value. 2 mu is equals to 12. Then mu is equals to 12 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So therefore the value of mu is equals to 2. And here the component of k 2 lambda minus 9 is equal to 0. Here 2 lambda minus of minus plus 9. Here plus 9. So 2 lambda is equals to minus 9. Lambda is equals to minus 9 by 2. Therefore the final answer is mu is equals to 2 and lambda is equals to minus 9 by 2. This is the final answer. This is the lambda. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.